In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost gauge for 2022 and past in a significant manner. Kindly remember that you ought to basically think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, we should head into it, or so they truly thought, before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Doge explicitly succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. You can purchase and exchange Dogecoin on many trades, including the main stages like Sex.io, Coinbase, and Binance. Dogecoin value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. When by and large add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town in a significant manner. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin basically has to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which most certainly is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will, in every practical sense, begin to by and large do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 incredibly. We expect whales and exceptionally other kind of greater players in the market to fundamentally wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess basically are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and some other sort of exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, which is genuinely critical. 2022-12-01 in an unpretentious manner. 1.50% $0 0747 2022 1202 plus 5.99% $0 0804 2022 1203 plus 1.45% $0 0770 2022 1204 plus 6.40% $0 0807 2022 1205, which is genuinely critical. 1.49% $0 0748 2022 1206 in an unobtrusive manner. 1.91% $0 0744 2022 1207 plus 0.95% $0 0766 2022 1208 plus 1.73% $0 0772 2022 1209 in a kind of large manner, plus 5.05% $0 0797 2022 1210 in spite of mainstream thinking, plus 6.45% 8 cents Dogecoin value forecast 2022 deck, or so they thought, plus 5.48% $0 0800 2023 Jan. 6.35% $0 0711 2023 Feb. 2.06% $0 0743 2023 Blemish. Plus 1.66% $0 0771 2023 Apra. Plus 5.12% $0 0798 2023 May. Plus 7.32% $0 0814 2023 Jun. Plus 9.81% $0 0833 2023 Jul, in spite of mainstream thinking. Plus 16.19% $0 0882 2023 Aug. Plus 10.35% $0 0837 2023 Sep. Plus 14.88% $0 0872 2023 Oct in an unpretentious manner. Plus 12.70% $0 0855 2023 Na. plus 16.40%, 8 cents. Doge value expectation 2025 in a significant manner. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 10 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could explicitly lie around $0. Dogecoin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be by and large worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, really outperform, especially surpass Bitcoin, which basically is very huge? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1 or so they thought? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10 in an especially significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the by and large short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period, which really is genuinely critical. How for the most part high will Dogecoin go, in spite of mainstream thinking? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave methodology. Dogecoin, all things considered, is certainly not a decent long-haul hold, which certainly is genuinely huge. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Which is very critical. Indeed, it explicitly faces a savage rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking most certainly is problematic. Could Dogecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin could not cause you a tycoon, as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How essentially much will Dogecoin be worth in a significant manner? For the in every way that really matters, momentary future, it could reach 7 cents. In the long haul, it will in all likelihood drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin by and large succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no extraordinary offer, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it incredibly. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost for the drawn out in an especially enormous manner. Dogecoin projections long haul in a significant manner. Most of undertakings will truly fizzle. A few new businesses are made just to explicitly assemble reserves and vanish. Some would generally not handle the opposition, but rather most are simply thoughts that especially look great on paper, however as a general rule, really are pointless for the market. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to especially go up and ascend in cost are scant. It truly is as yet one of the truly most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun incidentally. However, we basically don't see the reason for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is now taken up by Bitcoin.